Hello, this video is all about Clipmagick, which captions your videos. There is a free version. I have already reviewed it, but I made a mistake, and one of the viewers pointed this out to me via a comment. So today I'm going to correct that mistake and show you why this could potentially be a game changer. So first of all, I'm going to import a video. All I have to do is drag it in, and it's going to be my Clipmagick review. So I'm going to drag it in and things start happening. Now in the Clipmagick review, I did quite a thorough review of Clipmagick. I mentioned about the free and the upgrade version. And the thing I got wrong was I said you can't trim the video, because what I like to do is I like to take my long form content and trim it into a YouTube short that is less than a minute to help drive views to my longer form content. And I said you can't trim it. So if I want to trim the clip, all I have to do is click trim, and I can pull it all the way down here and I can trim it to the part I want. Now I want to trim it so that it is less than 1 minute. So I'm going to go down to here and I'm going to hope this is less than a minute. So I'm going to click next. Okay, so it's done the importing and the captioning, and if I go all the way up to here, it's 47 seconds. So that was less than a minute. Now the problem is it's not brilliant. It's not a brilliant trimmer, and you can't trim it very precisely, but I did make a mistake in my previous video and I just wanted to correct that.